I'm going to make another shape of goblet just to show you the possibilities that you have whenever you're doing something like this. I think I'm going to go for something like a martini glass this time. And again, with the centering, your left hand's not moving, your right hand's doing the majority of the work. You're going to push down with that fist. Leave a little bit of thickness at the bottom. I've got a little between 1/4 and 1/2 inch, which is just right. Now this time, since I'm going to be doing a cone, I'm going to start pulling out a lot more. I'm going to push under with my thumb again and get my pinch. Now, ooh, can you see that with the camera? That little bubble there? I don't know if you can see that, but that is an air bubble. You don't want that in there. You're going to push towards the bubble, pop it with your needle tool. You want to get that out of there. And now we can take this and pull it out. Make a nice little cone. You want to make sure and get your rib and compress again. And there we go. There's a completely different style cup. And I think we'll need to do a thinner stem for this as well.